Yeah, they said what is what doing is also what doing well. A lot of gifts keep coming, because so many have come and some are still coming. So this one just came. So don't quote me wrong. I'm right. English is not ours. But the way I spoke it, I'm sure you understood it. I can use more of past tense because has already gotten to me before I start making the video. So one of my brother just came to where I am now. A knock came on the door and I opened it. Behold, it was him. He said, yeah, Mr. Kevin by name. He's from my place here. So he said, I want to appreciate you for all you've been doing, for all your good work. I said, what? You have this wonderful, I don't know what is inside, but let me open it first so that all of us will see it together. Jehovah. Here go rice. Hey, jeez. This is love like. Yeah, Lagos, right? Love like American and Londonians. See, this is love like. Wow. My brother, thank you so much.
That's for you, my boss.
Thank you so much. Give me 5.
More blessings. More blessings.
Child. Here go rice. You see, I keep telling you to do good so that good will be done to you. When you appreciate others, people will also appreciate you. But if you're a type that you don't appreciate people, you don't, support people, you remain in one place. Because the more you give, is the more you receive. God bless all of you and bless my brother. He is by name Mr. Kelvin. Here on Instagram, or his Instagram handle is what?
Kelvin Dumebi Official.
Kelvin Dumebi Official. At Kelvin Dumebi Official. Then follow him up. And God will bless you for me. Thank you, my brother. Ka wela life. Mulo mejula. I was in a toilet na muhanga wa portraits.